Hello everyone, it's me, Mustafa Ahmed Yahya. I'm back to a new lecture regarding the introduction of Gmsh software. In the previous lectures, I explained how we are going to add points and then how we are going to draw line, circular line. Following that, I also explained how we are going to generate surface from those constructed points and lines. Next, we did a 2D mesh. We explained how to make random mesh. That's a default option for 2D mesh for any mesh type. And then we explained how we can turn those random meshes into structured mesh. So that was our result regarding the 2D mesh. Here in this lecture, I'm going to show how we can extrude this 2D into 3D. In other words, I will demonstrate how we can make 3D out of this 2D plate. Let's go to geometry, reload script. Okay. Following that, we are going to, in order to make it 3D, we have to extrude everything. So let's go to, where was it? Where was that? Okay, extrude, transform, not transform, extrude, translate. Okay, we are going to extrude and then translate. So here we have created our 2D on XY plane. So we are going to extrude it into Z direction. DZ1, okay. Extrude mesh, okay, we also want the mesh to be extruded. So how many layers for mesh we want along the extrusion thickness? So if we let's put one and we will see the result. Okay. Okay, I want all entities to be extruded. I want this lines, points, everything. So I'm going to select everything. Here I still keep selecting. Okay, I have to add this line. There are more things to be added. This line, this point. Okay, we had defined our surfaces previously, so we are going to choose them also. We are going to select them. Surely we have to select everything. Then I'm going to press E. Okay, that's it. Okay, I got it. For DZ, I gave 1, so it means it's like 1 millimeter or 1 meter is the length of the extrusion. So let me click Q to abort. Following that, let's see the 3D mesh. So that's 3D mesh. So if you remember, okay, the result is very nice. So if you look at the mesh in the extrusion, we see it's one layer. It's only one layer. Okay, so if we go to real edit script, let's scroll down. We have some commands, extra commands, new commands. They are newly added to our script, and these new commands are about the extrusion. So if we go to the layer, the given layer for the extrusion mesh was 1. Now let's make it 7. Okay, save it. Save. Let's close this one. And now let's reload it. Reload script it. Following that, click on 3D mesh. So here we see that on the extrusion thickness we have 7 layers. We have 7 layers. We can count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's how we transform 2D models into 3D models, as well as transforming meshes from 2D into 3D. So that's the result. It's a very interesting 3D. Let's reload it, reload the script, and let's edit it. So for extrusion, when we did extrusion, I gave value of 1. I gave value of 1, so I will make it 10. That 10 means it's like 10 meter or 10 millimeter or 10 centimeter is the thickness of the model. So whatever your overall model unit is, that value is related to that unit. So let's Control S to save it. Let me reload it, reload script. So we see our model has been thicker. So let's go to 3D. Okay, very nice. So that's the 3D. Okay, here you can count the layer of the extruded mesh: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 mesh layer is given to the model. Okay, that's very nice. Options, general, access mode, ratio, general, tool, visibility, window, speed resolution, bring all to front.